Okay, so now, let us now discuss the factor theorem. So, ang factor theorem po, the polynomial p of x has x minus r as a factor if and only if p of r, yung p of r po yung remainder, is equals to 0. So, meaning, kapag daw nagdi-divide tayo ng polynomial sa another polynomial, tapos ang nakuha po natin na remainder is 0, masasabi po natin na yung divisor po natin is factor. Isa po sa mga factor ng dividend. Okay po, kapag kapag ang remainder is 0. So para mas maintindihan nyo pa ang factor theorem, let us have an example. So ang tong factor theorem, ganun lang din, kukunin yung value ng x and then substitute. Kapag ang remainder is 0, then factor yung divisor sa dividend. Okay, first example, we have showed that x minus 1 is a factor of 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. So now, we need to denote as p of r is the remainder. Okay po, remainder. So now, i-equate na natin to p of r sa ating dividend. We have p of r is equals to 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. And then we need to get the value of x sa divisor, which is itong x minus 1. So we need to equate that by 0. So we have x minus 1 is equals to 0. Get the value of x. Transpose. So we have positive 1. So ito na pong positive 1 yung isa-substitute natin dito. So we have p of r is equals to 3 times 1 cubed minus 8 times 1 squared plus 3 times 1 plus 2. Okay po, ayan po yung mangyayari pag sinubstitute yung positive 1 sa lahat ng x. So now, simplify. Exponent first, we have this 1. What is 1 cubed? That is 1 lang naman. We have negative 8, 1 squared, that is 1, plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2. So, kahit ilang beses mo pang i-multiply yung 1, 1 lang din yan. So, we have P of R, 3 times 1 is 3, negative 8 times 1 is negative 8, and then copy the plus 3 and plus 2. So, we have P of R is equals to, pag-add-add nyo lang yan, 3 minus 8 plus 3 plus 2. So, that is 0. Kapag ang remainder natin is 0, so nakuha natin is 0, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of itong dividend natin, 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, kapag ang remainder natin is 0, so meaning, ito pong x minus 1, isa po yan sa factor ng ating dividend na 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x plus 2. Kapag hindi naman nag-0 yung remainder, then hindi yan isa sa mga factor ng dividend. Okay po? Okay, next example. Okay, so next example, find the value of k x raised to 4 plus kx cubed minus 4x squared if the factor is x plus 4. So, ang sabi, yung x plus 4 daw is factor neto. So, ngayon, i-denote na lang natin to. So, kukunin natin yung value ng x dito, equate natin, then substitute. May mga encounter po kasi kayong ganyan na hanapin nyo yung value ng k. So, now, let us denote p of r. Equate natin tong divisor sa 0. Kasi kunin natin yung, kailangan natin i-substitute. So, we have transpose. Pag tinranspose, magiging negative 4. So, itong negative 4 po, ito yung isa-substitute nyo dito sa lahat ng x. So, we have negative 4x raised to 4 plus k negative 4 times cube minus 4 times negative 4 squared. So, now, let us simplify. we have an 0 here. Kasi ito yung equate natin sa 0 kasi alam natin kapag we are talking about the factor theorem, ang remainder dyan is 0. Okay po. So we have 0 is equals to negative 4 squared, negative 4 raised to 4, that is positive 256 plus k, and then negative 4 cubed, that is negative 64, and then negative 4 times negative 4 squared, that is positive 16 po. So now simplify, we have 0 is equals to 256 plus k times negative 64, that is negative 64k, and then negative 4 times 16, that is negative 64 po. So combining like terms, we have 256 minus 64, that is 192 minus 64k. Okay po. So now, we need to transpose negative 2 to the other side. So magiging negative 192 is equals to negative 64k. So now we need to divide both sides by negative 64. Cancel. So k is equals to negative 192 divided by negative 64, that is positive 3. So therefore, ang ating value ng k is positive 3. Okay po. So ganyan lang po kadali ang factor theorem. Kapag ang hinahanap po is k and we're talking about the factor theorem, we need to equate that to 0. Kasi alam naman natin, kapag pinag-uusapan natin is factor theorem, the remainder dapat is 0. Okay po. So, ganyan lang po kadali ang factor theorem. Next naman is the rational root theorem. Thank you for watching.